Tammy's got a channel. On YouTube she shines. The fake bake diaries, crafting in her own sweet time. She'll show you how to make fake ice cream that glows, giant gumdrops and cotton candy, whimsical treats she knows. Grab your scissors, get your glue. The crafting's just begun with a sprinkle of imagination.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to be making this adorable striped vase. You'll love how simple this is to make, and it's perfect for displaying all of your sweet treats, big and small. Join me now as we make something beautiful together.
Today we're going to be making a vase to store and to display some of our beautiful Candyland decorations. I'll be using it mostly for lollipops. This one here I just got at the dollar store. First thing I want to do is this has been washed out already with soap and water. But I will take rubbing alcohol to get off any excess oils. The Mod Podge that I use is dishwasher safe, but I do want to be able to clean it properly. This Mod Podge does not say shake it, it says to roll it, and it asks for about 2 hours before you put the second coat on. This is the yellow frog tape. So the yellow frog tape is the extra delicate frog tape. What you don't want is a whole bunch of stickiness. So if you put tape on here, you don't want that tackiness to stay on your glass after you've taken it off. I'm just going to do a little spiral around it. So I'm going to wrap around the edge.
She wakes up in the morning, glitter on her hands, crafts her way to glory.
If you want some crisp edges, you do have to make sure that all of your edges are pushed straight down. I'm just going to use this as a guide.
Paper glue and cutouts fill her heart with beats. She's the craft.
And I can take that off in a second, just to see how wide I need to go. So that means I'm going to start here.
Sewing in the sunlight, knitting through the night. Every thread's a highlight, color shining bright.
And just continue down to here. Again, I'm going to make sure these edges go down, and I'm just going to take this off. I'm just going to cut off the ends. Take another piece. And again, this is just to give me spacing.
Glue and glitter on my hands, crafting shoes and rubber bands. Late nights all for this, dreaming big, can't miss. Paint and paper everywhere, final touches here and there. Heart in every piece I make, it's my chance that I take. Ready for the show, oh, oh, oh. Crafts lined up in a row, oh, oh, oh. Got my heart on display, can't wait for the day. Friends and family cheer me on, crafting till the break of dawn. Every sparkle, every bead, giving the folks what they need. Ready for the show, oh, oh, oh. Crafts lined up in a row, oh, oh, oh. Got my heart on display, can't wait for the day. Nervous hands but a smile, been preparing for a while. Gonna shine in my way, craft show Saturday.
I'm just going to do a quick rub with alcohol because I put my hands all over this.
Now, here's today's crafting question. What crafting tool can you just not live without? Put your answers in the comments below, and I'm so excited to read all of your responses.
I'm going to get my glitter ready. I'm going to do this white that has pink in it. They're going to go on all of these lines that are free right now. Get a nice big brush, and I've got to move quickly.
Nobody can stop us, we got red and glue. Busy days can wait.
Because the line actually ends at the bottom, I can do line by line and not worrying about going too fast.
Creativity sparks, a smile on your face. Diaries, our secret go-to. Inspired every day with crafts.
I am doing the little tops of the rims just to get it over the edge a little bit.
Weaving through the minutes, time for us to steal, crafting all our dreams into something real. Tape and coloring pens.
While this is wet, don't wait till it's dry. I want to take these off. Take them off and pull towards you to get the cleanest line that you can. I'm pulling one way and the other way the best I can.
Diaries, our secret go-to, inspired every day with crafts.
Don't worry, there's glitter inside. That all just brushes off right in the end. It's not stuck.
Weaving coloring pens, glitter on the floor. Every second counts, the world we adore. Diaries, our secret go-to.
That's the hardest part. I'm going to put this aside and give it 2 hours to dry.
Crafting with a twist, fake diary.
We're back. I now have 2 coats of glitter on here. First thing I'm going to do is just brush off some of this extra glitter. Because this has been handled so much, I'm going to just go over quickly the outside with my rubbing alcohol just to make sure that this glue here is going to stick. I will be using my extra fine glitter. I'm going to put my paintbrush up to the edge, and it's not that difficult because the edge is raised, so it already stops your paintbrush.
Glittering gumdrops piled high, so sweet. Whimsical colors like a Candyland tree. Friends by the fire.
And all this white, you don't want that. That's what stops it from drying.
On this magical night, gumdrop trees standing tall and proud. Houses made of candy, so cozy and round. Fairies fly and dance with joy in their eyes. In this fantasy world where dreams can't hide. Let's taste the sweetness of the sugar delight. Gumdrops on our tongues like fireworks in the night. Together we'll sing a Merry Christmas cheer in this gumdrop wonderland where love is near.
I'll brush off this pink later. I don't want to touch anything right now because if my paintbrush hits the light pink by mistake, I don't want to ruin that right now. And this white, once I brush off this pink, is going to show off beautiful. Now we have 1 coat of this extra fine pink glitter. Now I need to put a second coat on top of that. We're just going to do the same thing all over again and put a second coat of Mod Podge right on the pink again.
Craft room light so bright, glitter flies and glue in sight. Fake bakes looking so pristine, till I drop them with a scream.
We're back, and this here is all fully dried. I am going to put another couple of coats of the Mod Podge. Usually 3 thin coats will really make sure that you get a good solid protection. This is what I wanted to put as my last and final texture. I just thought it was so cute. This is some faux fur yarn that I just found at the dollar store. This was so nice, white and fluffy. I thought it would look so cute if I put it around the edge.
First, keep the fun in play.
This is what it's going to look like from the side. So this one I happen to be using here is an all-weather adhesive. It's the E6000 Plus. This one is just the one I grabbed. Just use the regular E6000.
Perfect swirl, ended up a lumpy whirl, but a cream is not behaving. Here's a shout out to my cravings. Sugar sprinkles on the floor,
because I made sure that I put some glitter on the top, it actually looks really cute. And I love the three textures together, right? We have soft, we have chunky glitter, we have fine glitter, and it all looks gorgeous together. Thank you for crafting with me today. I'll see you soon.